Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Klarna. Alright, let's get straight into it. If you're wondering how to enable two-factor authentication on Klarna, this video is for you. It's just going to be a quick step-by-step guide, so let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Klarna account. Now remember, you can log into your Klarna account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the accounts tab, and once you're there, you're going to click on security, and then you're going to enable two-factor authentication. And then you're going to need to set up your preferred authentication method. It could be an authenticator app or whatever other option that you have available for the method. And once that's done, it's going to help you to enable two-factor authentication. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to enable two-factor authentication on Klarna. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.